The National Library of Wales needs your help. We'd like to hear your views on our vision for the future. As we draw up our strategic plan for the next 5 years, we want to ensure that it meets your needs. Our purpose has always been to collect, preserve, and give access to knowledge in all its forms. Our collections help us to understand who we are and our place in the world. Our 5-year vision is to be recognised as one of the most progressive and innovative national libraries in the world, sharing information about Wales with the people of Wales and beyond. We will extend our collections so that they reflect the broad range of experiences that form our shared history and culture, giving the widest access possible, sharing them online and bringing them to life, playing a central part in the life of Wales, providing opportunities to the people of Wales. We will transform our approach by fully embracing digital technologies and developing new opportunities to collaborate with others, encourage and support learning and research, and be an organisation that lays a foundation for the future. To find out more about how you can contribute to our strategic plan, please visit our website.